Before I start about what is Ek Dua all about, I want to ask you what actually prompted you to turn producer?
The script of Ek Dua, when I heard the script, um, I hear a lot of scripts and all that happens, but this one did something different to me. It really pulled at my heartstrings. Um, because I'm a mother today, being a woman, being a daughter myself, there was something very extraordinary with this. And I was approached for this film as an actor. And then I felt just being an actor in this is not going to be enough for me. If I ever make a film someday, it should be like this. And that's how we created Bharat Esha Films. And this is our first project.
Was it a challenge to kind of balance acting and, of course, looking after the production part for Ek Dua?
It was a new experience, completely new for me, because when I would go on set, earlier I would go as an actor. Now this time when we were shooting, I went on set not just as an actor but also as a producer, a very responsible human being who's entering the set and making sure that everyone from the actors to our spot boys are happy, they are well fed, they are taken care of, and they all make this their family and make this film theirs. That was very much my intention whenever I went on set.
What is Ek Dua all about?
Well, Ek Dua is a beautiful story. It's a beautiful narrative. It's a very humble effort from our side to contribute towards a big issue. And I'm sure, I am confident that it is going to pull at your heartstrings also when you watch the film.
Amazing.
I want Ek Dua to create a positive impact on the viewers.
And coming to your character, from the trailer we saw, she has this very Mumbai lingo that Muslims have, especially in Mumbai. Tell me, how did you prep for the part and how was that experience of shooting for Ek Dua?
I think I started prepping for the part the day I heard the narration of the script, because I knew it that I want to do this. Being a mother, being a woman, being a daughter. Once you mentally start thinking and feeling what a woman like Abida would be going through and feeling, you automatically adapt to her surroundings, her lingo, her dressing style, her way of functioning and thinking.
What do you have to say about the short movie format? Of course, we've seen web series and films. What is your take on short films? Is it a new trend that you think will last?
I think people are taking to it in a nice way, especially the pulse of our audience who wants to see something interesting and don't want to indulge in so much time. It works. Also, there are some stories like for Ek Dua, it's not even a short film, it's not even a long film, it is somewhere in between. But we couldn't do anything about that because when you see the film, you would agree with me, because our script is such that we couldn't drag it further, nor could we make it shorter. It's a film that I think has a very different timeline, which is in between, because the story starts there and ends there.
Your mom had mentioned that how your father was a little not too happy when you decided to take up acting because of all the dance and stuff. Do you think women have it tough, even like whenever you come from different class, different background, girls always have it tough?
I wouldn't say girls have it tough. Girls have a different level of challenges, and boys also have their own set of challenges, where as far as my father is concerned, I think more than anything he was he's an extremely possessive orthodox father. So for him, ladkiyon ko, keep them more indoors.
Protected.
Protected. So that was what he must have felt when I decided to come out, and our industry is our line of work is universal. Everyone,
course.
it's for everyone.